Here, light becomes an element of design itself. The soft wash of golden hour illuminates the subtle curves and clean lines. Every surface, from the cool marble to the matte blue cabinetry, is curated for quiet moments of perfect stillness and refined living. As dusk settles, this corner transforms into a sanctuary of quiet design. Soft ambient light washes over the polished white stone, highlighting the depth of the slate blue cabinets. It is a space designed not just for function, but for moments of profound, sophisticated repose.
Here, light becomes the primary material. It washes over cool stone and soft blues, defining every plane with gentle grace. The seamless flow of natural wood meets polished marble, crafting a quiet testament to modern living's enduring simplicity.
Here, light meets texture. The heavily veined marble anchors the space, a study in natural drama. It rests beside the quiet depth of dusty blue cabinetry, creating a sophisticated dialogue between raw stone and refined finish. A perfect balance of contrast. As dusk settles, the kitchen transforms into a sanctuary. Here, warm light embraces the creamy stone and rich woods, grounding the space in Japandi tranquility. Every detail whispers of mindful living, creating an atmosphere of profound evening calm. Here, morning light does not merely enter, it defines the space. A quiet rhythm of design, where every pale surface catches the soft glow. It is a sanctuary built for slow moments and effortless beauty. Here, design becomes an act of quiet precision. The materials speak a language of restrained elegance, a balance between polished stone and muted hue. It is the architecture of daily life, perfected into a seamless, serene backdrop.